ntara kwa nalinga nelio tengira nasini ni bugirango sinini tu inche nariko bo mujumbe bugirango ni karasti inde chief whip chief whip nero umuntu gatatu most powerful as a parliament yaitu legislature again take tanga naro korra bugirango no kwa kachi university nera alimanzo ni achake by the way atakero ko constitute university ya Kisii university manso ni akayechaka osura gaso akayaka chirangi kayebeka
structure nero was a problem ya beto
no it is a structure
aralia
Nyangweta yes Nyangweta forest by the time manso ni agosoka kwenye land ya very identified ya very hived off paka construction ya chaki woni weso weta Nyangweta ali vya sindiro bichagete via kodreto fast full bika umuliro ground floor bika umuliro
abada discussion ina wa sikegete gaiga abande bare base university management ndatake ko kwa na marieta for process mirimo yabo the argument okonyonelenga a problem yalenga rasogora transition nande kwa gache university gere main campus ire Kisii then the two constituency campus in South Mugirango. That is why Asia Nyamira ya Chiteme ewe constituency ya Kisii University because they are different county. Because they were telling me toko nyara kutora chikwere ndebere in one county. Kile county ya takiro kutora university ya mo as pioneering.
But you see, by that time already, kwenye a constituent university ya Aruru, paka chibesa chikaweku, ega chaka kuwa gacho. You know?
So, Murukwa gacho. Murukwa gacho. CDF was Kisii University.
Kisii University.
Yes.
Kisii University, nero ya chaka kuwa gacho. And of course, manso na vegeta chibesa, ime, as part of the seed money. Chiali chaka kwa gache university. So university kabeka chibesa, Manson yakabeka chibesa, chiga chaka. The structure is there. But Ekaroso Raso he ignored that university. Pakabono later been overtaken by other universities, other constituent universities. There would have not been a problem because that already was done. Yeah, correct. That thing again to get in planning. Again to Kiarengo, so Nagana inch into our access was as chief whip. I will build a university ya Nyangweta munayata kire kwa gacho.
Enough.
Eke mtizinero. Etake yatakire kwa gacho Nyamarambe. Eke mtisi na hindi kunya gacho Nyamarambe because ntugwate nyegitali ya ito ya nduru. Abu noere ya market. But wono so usinyiru kwa gacho university yatakete ko rusie KMTC Nyamarambe asenya gitayeri anyire emetemi doesn't work inchi emetemi Nyangweta na forest yaro yeah KMTC kwa
university ya emetemi
university na emetemi because university is a new institution ya chakire inche Dennis Makole. That is what I would have done. Muno mujumbe what the kind of power also rabwat bakata akichiparanjire bantu bitu balire paka banyarikire pale kurumo chengo ebuli muticho maro suguta ibwate nyamaya echandegeta abantu baitu bugirango naende balire mono eyende Nyangweta nyasasa karungu kiagwara openda ochenyakire ndine main etako ekona ekogenda Nyamaya ende gweta geteni kenuchi iji para isatu chire very critical as a South Mugirango yaitu inche nari kubo mujumbe na ende mbe chief whip aje nari kutanga ni kibaumbere elinde nkonya abantu bitu amangana a infrastructure lakini rende tindi oyo aroro igaiginoete abagirango magana kunyamwaka around.
By the way, this time Ekero University you remember is the time Kiss University atagete sika constituency colleges. That's the time Vasigete ya Kiroka, Vagaseka, there was one in Nyamira. That is the time we had this problem. Maybe I'm not mentioning that.
That was before.
They closed so many. Yes.
Nyangweta University achagete kuagachwa before Chi University chichake go sieka the colleges. And you see, ekara wacha go sieka nekaro tu ale issue ya quality.
Yes.
Yeah. Tu ale issue ya quality. Abante bari guchake university and-ons. Omuntu akobeke university none university kobeke constant college none bayibo.
Exactly.
Yeah, tu ara issues che quality na dio chiachaka go sieka. But Nyangweta yachagete kuagacho a problem ye etayo. Namba kabiri Nyangweta nja etubulemo we bete hived off from the main forest. Na ende tubulemo bone no rosana. Obulemo by the way na buwache ko korusu na ende obonde wachikuagache e factory emesi. Yetara chaka pakawa. So Nyangweta alinto bulemo bone sana. So this would have not been akanto kakuagachu egoroba igoro aseba. In a university, as a constituent, later a big university because into what over the mobile in order.
Very well, as a barbata to Viranga Radio, na maoni